Alright, so people, me there I gotta work. Man, yeah. Just for hear the bike I make some noise. Just for hear the bike I make some squeaky noise round the back. When me stop up the road still, you know, but when me stop, me say yo, one bolt drop out. Blouse and skirt sprocket bolt. That sprocket bolt a drop out. So me I say, eh? So me I say, one day me can still continue and ride go work. Even though one bolt drop out, me there take me like a time. Soon as me brush the corner they up there, so me hear the noise come back again. I said, blouse and skirt a walk go on now. I go so boots and shake the sprocket. Sprocket a shake so it look like the bearings them gone. Yeah man, sprocket bearings gone man. Bearings gone and you see through it a rock. The bolt them a drop out, take time drop out, cause one bolt drop out. So, just one of them things there you did. Hey people, so me there stand up and I take me a little time try carry out the machine. Yo, me I tell you say God is good. I'm glad say this never happened last night when me I come home in after 10. You know that would nice. And how far me I come from. And no say that up me chop a road. But God is good. It happened this morning when I go work and it happened far from where I live. So I take me a good time and carry it go up and deal with it. I reach a good distance. At least I come over the major hill them. Jaja. Come over the major hill before the sprocket plate start make noise again. So it make one really loud noise like metal or rub on metal. So reach a good distance, so me I go do I just take time, push it and coast it. Everybody think I bust me tire bus. So me I stand up, but the thing is because you don't want to put too much pressure upon the back end, you see me? So me stand up, put the pressure upon the front end. You see me, that way it give me a little bit more ride out tight. A good amount of bike man pass me still, but them a gotta work, so you don't know say. You don't know the thing already, you know, you gotta work, you can't really stop fail out a man and then you go late for work and you see me? Thing and thing, so you have to understand. One and two of them ask me if me alright, and I just say yeah, me alright. You see me? Because really and truly, nobody can really help you out with them sitting here. Bearings, especially my size bearings. Even if a man carry bearings, my size bearings are different. So I continue to chat it, so I soon update you. Alright, so I there push. It can ride a little bit, you know, but I rather push it where I can, and then other places I just jump on and take time. I'm reaching at the square, I jump on. Before me reaching at the square, I just jump on it and ride. Okay, you know, in the square, you know, and nobody to way. Huh? Yeah, but I'm going to full 100. You see me? Early morning, what time now? Almost 8 o'clock, almost 8:30 actually. You see me? I'm there, I move. Yeah. Almost 8:30. I left my yard from about 7:30. No, I left my yard about 7:45. Keisha! Watch Keisha from bike back. You know, say the bolt, the sprocket bolt. I have the first part of the video. The sprocket bolt drop out here. And I said to myself, I gotta try continue. You see me, if I at least reach at work, when I reach at work, I could have call a mechanic. And even if it take time, carry it go to him or him come to it and thing. Is it? Yeah. See, I don't have bridge in here. Boy, my sprocket bearings gone. Eh? No, it a ride a little bit, but when I ride it, It take time and squeak and make some night like metal a grind. Yeah. Yeah, I'm down a Montogle. But me take time go to Temple Hall and it get worse, so me just come up back. Aye. I just one of them things there in a bike world, you know. You see me? And the fact that we ride them like a Chinese bike, yeah. 4 years now me have the bike, you know. 4 years. And enough people I say, time for change. Time for change. And the thing is, after like 2-3 years, the parts start to degrade. So you know, say, them time you have to look for change. Change parts. Boy, move out of the way. Alright people, me just get a bike for borrow. Coolly and him notorious purple touch. Lord fire. This is gonna take some getting used to. Feels weird. Oh, it feels weird. But
2 days later.
me ever think about the video when me almost done do everything. Find solution and everything to blow that skirt. Yes people, so we just done grease up the bearings them. I'm gonna insert a little clip of the bearings them, how them did look. Bearings and go. Them they are no ball in a brother. You know see them they are no ball. Yeah, this a make heap nice. Some grease. You did pull out them yet too?
Yeah, pull out that. That's how I do staying.
Oh.
Okay. Whoa.
God, knock over but it's to blow. Whoa.
Tell them say.
Well, I look to blow.
Thing of it, man.
The bolt when I bolt them did come out and get knock off, get bust off in the sprocket plate. So carry that go deal with that, remove the bolt there. So buy some bolt, but them bolt here are some gold bolt. And according to what people say, them say the black bolt them stronger. So I'm gonna do one next time. I go buy some black bolt. Me have Loctite in if you want to use it, you know. Even though me not make that stay on for long.
That can't turn on this.
Loctite.
That not gonna work on this.
What do you mean?
You want a lock washer. One little washer, it round and it have one cut in it.
Nice and
You know one I said.
and them the on the bike all long.
So you change it. Me did have them on my bike all long until I started the lock washer. Sometimes a little change is really good. And if I have an old one and she get problem, I have an old girlfriend and she get problem.
Never have an old girlfriend yet. I'll be a new girl. New girlfriend. New and young and improved, man.
That is so.
too much grease.
Boy, tap your eyes, huh?